Lines parallel to x and y axis. Solve the equation 2x minus 1 is equals to x plus 3 and represent the solution on number line and Cartesian plane. Let's solve this equation. 2x minus 1 is equals to x plus 3. That is 2x minus x is equals to 3 plus 1, which is x is equals to 4. So this is the solution of our equation. Now let's represent this on the number line. This is our number line and the value of x is equals to 4. So x is equals to 4 will lie here. The second part is to represent the solution on the Cartesian plane. We know that we can represent linear equations in two variables on the Cartesian plane. To do that, we'll write this equation as x plus 0y is equals to 4. This is our Cartesian plane and we have to find the solution of this equation. We can observe that on putting the value of y as 1, 2, 3 or 4 or maybe any value, the value of x is unchanged. That is, it remains 4. The solution of this equation can be 4, 0, 4, 1, 4, 2 and 4, 3. Here we note that the value of x is a constant, but the value of y is changing. So let's plot these points on the Cartesian plane. First point 4, 0. That is 4 units along the positive x-axis and 0 units along positive y-axis. This will be the location of our point 1. Now point 4, 1, that is 4 units along positive x-axis and 1 unit along positive y-axis. So this will be the location of our point. Now 4, 2, 4 units along x-axis and 2 units along positive y-axis. That is, this will be the location of our point. Now 4, 3, 4 units along positive x-axis and 3 units along positive y-axis. On joining these points, we will observe that this line is parallel to the y-axis. That is, what I can say is that all equations in the form of ax is equals to c are parallel to the y-axis. Now let's take example of lines parallel to the x-axis. Solve the equation 2y minus 1 is equals to y plus 3 and represent the solution on number line and Cartesian plane. Let's solve this equation. 2y minus 1 is equals to y plus 3, that is y is equals to 4. Let's represent it on the number line. This is our number line and let's assume it to be y-axis. Y is equals to 4 will lie here. Now let's represent it on the Cartesian plane. Firstly, we'll write it in the form of linear equation in two variables. That is, 0x plus y is equals to 4. The solution of this equation will be 0, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4 and 3, 4. These all are the solutions of the equation 0x plus y is equals to 4. Note that in all the solutions, the value of y is equals to 4, which is equal to our earlier equation y is equals to 4. Now let's plot the points on the Cartesian plane. The first point is 0, 4, that is 4 units along positive y-axis. This will be our point. Next point is 1, 4. This will be our point. The next point is 2, 4. So this will be our point and the next point is 3, 4. So this will be our point 4. Here on joining all these 4 points, we observe that the line is parallel to the x-axis. So we can say that all equations in the form of ay is equals to c are parallel to x-axis.